Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our general English class. How are you all? Hope you have completed your work, which I have already told you. I've given you homework of writing tenses table till 18th date, and after that, direct, indirect, and later on active passive. You need to learn them all as it will be a part of your exam. Okay? And yesterday we learnt about phrases. Phrases are a group of words which have incomplete meaning. They do not have a subject, they do not have a verb, right? Yesterday we learned that. Let's have a look again. A group of words without a subject and a verb are called as phrase. Example: in the hall, the three delicate materials will be going. So all these are providing information, but that information is incomplete. So it is said to be a phrase. Okay. So what a phrase does not has? Phrase does not has a subject as well as a verb. Now today we'll learn about noun phrases. Now phrases are of various type that we have already discussed yesterday. Today we'll be discussing about noun phrase. Noun phrase is a word or a group of words along with a noun. That means a group of words along with noun makes a noun phrase. Example, you can see a wise old man. Man is the noun, right? And a wise is describing the man. That is the noun phrase. Okay. Next you have the frail injured boy. Boy is the noun and the frail injured is the noun phrase. Her new dress. Dress is the noun and her new is the phrase. Understood? Now, what exactly a noun phrase has? A noun phrase has a group of words along with a noun. So, in a noun phrase, you will compulsory have a noun. Okay. So, what do you understand? That a phrase does not has a subject or a verb. Secondly, we have first type of phrase, that is a noun phrase. And in a noun phrase, we have a group of words along with a noun. In a noun phrase, compulsory you will have noun. And that particular noun will help you out to find out the rest of the words which describe the noun. Okay? What exactly is the definition of a noun phrase? A group of words that explains a noun. And that particular noun is called as head word. यहाँ पे man, boy, dress ये सब head word है. Head word मतलब वो नाउन जिसके बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है. मैन कैसा है? हाउ इज़ द मैन? अ वाइज ओल्ड. हाउ इज़ द बॉय? इंज्योर्ड बॉय. हाउ इज़ द ड्रेस? न्यू वन. राइट. तो इस तरीके से जो मेन नाउन होती है उसको हेड वर्ड कहते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? Easily understood, student? A noun phrase is a group of words that explains a noun. Okay. Now let us have a small tip of understanding how to find out the noun phrase. He hopes to win the first prize. Here prize is the head word. How is the prize? First prize. And what first prize? Who's going to win? So that particular thing is all noun phrase. He refuses to answer the question. The question is the noun. What about question? To answer, right? While identifying a noun phrase in a sentence, we need to find out the noun. And then we need to find out the words that are explaining the noun. Means those words which are explaining the noun that we are supposed to find out after finding out the noun. Noun को क्या describe कर रहे हैं, कौन से words describe कर रहे हैं, वो find करेंगे. तो वो सारे words और noun together they will form the noun phrase. Understood? Question क्या है? To answer. तो ये पूरा आ जाएगा noun phrase. To answer the question. Price कैसा है? To win the first. तो वो पूरा आ जाएगा noun phrase. Understood? Now let us have a small activity. I have given here words like dog and room, so you can make some good phrases out of it. Yes, you can try. Have a try about it. You can make phrases like a faithful dog. How is the dog faithful? So a faithful is the word which is describing the noun the dog. Okay. Then you have an active faithful dog. How is the dog? It's an active and faithful dog. Then the second word which I have given is room. Room, it may be a small room, a small empty room, it may be a big room, a big full room, anything you can write. So first you are supposed to find out the noun and describe it with the words. So what do you understand, students? That a noun phrase consists of one or more words that are grammatically connected with the noun at its head. That means a particular noun is described by using various other words. So that noun and those words which are describing the noun are said to be noun phrase. वो noun plus noun को describe करने वाले जितने भी words होते हैं वो सारों को कहते हैं noun phrase. Understood? Now let us have some more examples. A very old shoe. So here the noun is shoe, and what is the shoe described as? shoe को कैसे describe किया गया है? The very old. Okay. सेकेंड में है 20 hats. तो hats हमारी noun है और उसको कैसे describe किया गया है? कितनी है? 20 है. फोन इज़ द नाउन. और कैसा फ़ोन है? वॉकी टॉकी है, लैंडलाइन फ़ोन है, कैसा है? मोबाइल फ़ोन. तो मोबाइल इज़ द वर्ड विच इज़ डिस्क्राइबिंग, राइट. देन माई थिक टेक्स्ट बुक. टेक्स्ट बुक इज़ डिस्क्राइब दैट इट इज़ माई एंड इट इज़ वेरी थिक. देन अ बुक ऑफ मैजिक. हाउ इज़ द बुक? फुल ऑफ मैजिक. सो बुक इज़ द नाउन. तो यहाँ पे क्या किया स्टूडेंट्स? देखो, शू, हैट्स, फ़ोन, टेक्स्ट बुक, बुक, ये सारा क्या है? All of them are the head nouns, that is head word of that particular phrase. उसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, बराबर. शू को डिस्क्राइब किया, द वेरी ओल्ड. तो द वेरी ओल्ड शू बिकम्स द नाउन फ्रेज एंड द नाउन इज शू. सिमिलरली वी हैव 20 hats. hats is the noun. कितनी है? 20. so it becomes the noun phrase, right. Then you have mobile phone. phone of which type? Mobile. So mobile is the word which is describing the phone and phone is the head word, right. My thick textbook. So textbook is the noun and it is being described as my thick. A book of magic. Now magic is describing the book. So book is described. That's why book is the noun and of magic is the phrase. So a book of magic totally is said to be a phrase. Now let us break that particular thing and look. See, the first very example was the very old shoe. The is the determiner, we can say it article, right. Very is adverb. Old is adjective, it is describing the shoe that it's old. And shoe is the noun. उस सबको मिला के क्या बना? नाउन फ्रेज, बराबर. और वेरी ओल्ड वो हो जाता है एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज. एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज में होता है एडवर्ब और एडजेक्टिव. ओके. नाउ विल मूव अहेड टू टेक्स्ट बुक. इन द टेक्स्ट बुक व्हाट इज सेड? अ नाउन फ्रेज डज द वर्क ऑफ अ नाउन इन अ सेंटेंस. I enjoy coffee. What do you enjoy? Coffee. So coffee is the noun and you enjoy. So I enjoy coffee is noun phrase. I enjoy a hot cup of coffee. So a hot cup of coffee is the noun phrase. You have to ask the question what. आपको क्या question पूछना है बच्चा लोग? You have to ask the question what. In the sentences above, the words italicized are objects of the verb enjoy. The word coffee is the name of the drink and therefore is a noun. In the second sentence, a hot cup of coffee replaces the noun coffee and does the role of a noun. It's a noun phrase. So second में a hot cup of coffee वो हमारा noun phrase है. अभी यहाँ पे डिफाइन दिया है नाउन फ्रेज का. अ नाउन फ्रेज कंटेन्स अ नाउन एज वेल एज इट्स मॉडिफायर्स, दैट इज एडजेक्टिव्स और डिटरमाइनर्स, दैट इज आर्टिकल्स. A noun phrase can also be the subject of the sentence. A thing of beauty is joy forever. So a thing of beauty is the noun phrase. The red scarf will look nice. The red scarf is the noun phrase. The beautiful house belongs to my uncle. The beautiful house is the noun phrase. Did you enjoy the new play? The new play is the noun phrase. Hope students you understood this. Go through your textbook. It will be helpful for you to understand what exactly I taught you and it will be easy if you revise it. Fine. A noun phrase is a word, actually a group of words having noun and describes a noun. Noun को describe करने वाले सारे words together they form a noun phrase. That's all for today students. Do complete your work. On Monday we will have some good and interesting video. Will not do grammar. That's all for today. See you all on Monday. Okay, be ready for a very interesting video on Monday.